Are you wondering how the current housing market will impact your buying and selling decisions? In this episode, we bring you the latest insights and trends shaping the Greater Toronto Area real estate landscape. We'll dive into the recent data and its impact on home buyers and home sellers in the Toronto and the GTA real estate market. Welcome home. My name is Lei Villar-Cisneros. I'm a licensed realtor and mortgage agent in Ontario, serving the Greater Toronto Area in Canada. May 2023 witnessed a positive trajectory for the GTA housing market, particularly from a sales perspective. However, this success story comes with a caveat. The supply of homes for sale failed to keep pace with the robust demand for home ownership. Sale as a share of new listings surged dramatically compared to the previous year, signaling intensified competition among buyers. As a result, the average selling price soared to nearly $1.2 million last month. These developments have raised concerns about housing affordability and supply. Toronto Regional Real Estate Board President Paul Barron highlights the persistent failure of governments to address the housing supply issue. Ipsos polling revealed that City of Toronto residents gave the council a failing grade on affordability, attributing it to the lack of available housing options. This problem extends beyond Toronto and permeates the entire Greater Golden Horseshoe region. Failing to bridge the gap between housing supply and population growth could hamper our region's economic development as people and businesses seek alternative locations. Let's delve into the numbers. GTA Realtors reported a notable 24.7% increase in sales through TREV's MLS system in May of 2023 compared to the same month last year. Conversely, new listings experienced an 18.7% decline over the same period. On a month-over-month seasonally adjusted basis, sales rose by 5.2% compared to April of 2023. TREV Chief Market Analyst Jason Mercer sheds light on the factor fueling this surge in demand. Many home buyers have adjusted their housing needs in response to the higher borrowing cost and are re-entering the market. Additionally, robust rent growth and record population increases driven by immigration have further supported the rise in home sales. However, the limited supply of listings failing to keep up with sales has resulted in upward pressure on selling prices, particularly during the spring season. Turning our attention to the MLS Home Price Index Composite Benchmark, we note a year-over-year decline of 6.9% in May of 2023. However, on a seasonally adjusted monthly basis, the benchmark price experienced a 3.2% increase compared to April of 2023. So what does this mean? Prices are trending up since March. Similarly, the average selling price at $1,196,101 reflect a modest 1.2% decline relative to May of 2022. But on seasonally adjusted monthly basis, the average selling price surged by 3.5% compared to April of 2023. To summarize, compared to last year's prices, we are still a bit lower this year, but prices are slowly trending up since March. TREV CEO John DeMichel draws attention to the broader implication of the high cost of housing. The shortage of supply and elevated borrowing costs contribute to the overall increase in the cost of living. Municipalities, including the City of Toronto, need to consider this when contemplating revenue generation options. TREV emphasizes the limited patience households have for higher taxes, including unreasonable property tax hikes and prohibitive upfront land transfer taxes. As a buyer or seller in the Toronto housing market, these insights hold immense significance. Understanding the dynamics of supply and demand, pricing trends, and the impact of government policies can empower you to make informed decisions. Stay tuned for future episodes as we delve deeper into the neighborhood-specific analysis, financing strategies, and expert advice to maximize your real estate investments. Remember, knowledge is key to thriving in the ever-evolving GTA housing market. Now, let's look at the mortgage interest rate for the last 2 weeks, and it shows that it is trending up as well. This is due to the rising inflation costs once more. Canada's inflation rate was 4.4% in April 2023, a slight step up from the 4.3% annual inflation rate seen in March of 2023. Once again, we are in this unpredictable dance with mortgage interest rates and inflation rate. We've been predicting and anticipating a market slowdown, recession, but looks like we might not see the end of this roller coaster ride yet. The Bank of Canada held the target for its overnight rate unchanged at 4.5% as promised, and stated that it will continue to monitor the latest economic data for future decisions on the policy rate. But as we all know, if this trend keeps going up, it's only a matter of time before another policy hike is set. We just have to wait and see if and when it actually happens. My name is Lei Villar-Cisneros, and this is Toronto Living. Until next time.